Hi, I'm Erin from Juniper and Oaks, and I believe your home should make you feel cozy and at ease. So I create modern, cozy home decor crochet patterns that bring comfort and invite conversation. So before joining CBA, I was just a crochet hobbyist. I had no direction on how to sell my handmade goods, and I had a million ideas for crochet patterns, but I was just unsure on how to even write them down, let alone publish them and get them out there for the world to see. I was looking for direction. I wanted to turn my yarn into money, but just needed help weeding through so many ideas in my head and figure out how do I get there and what exactly are my goals. As a crochet hobbyist with too many ideas in my head and no clear direction, I was aimless. I was stretched thin and I was unsure of the next step to take to become successful. So I took steps in too many different directions and I wasn't making any progress towards accomplishing my goals. It was frustrating and I just felt like it wasn't worth my time. I was very hesitant to take the step to enroll in CBA. I doubted if I had it in me to be successful. First of all, did I have enough time? I already wear so many hats. I'm a mother of 2, almost 3. I'm a wife, I'm a nurse, and so much more. But I also wanted to crochet myself a new hat and become a crochetpreneur. I was also hesitant to even spend money on CBA when I wasn't really making any money to begin with. Would I get a return on my investment? I realized that CBA was working for me when I had a clear vision of what I wanted to accomplish and how I would get there. When I looked around and I saw this community of other crochetpreneurs around me, encouraging me, keeping me focused, and collaborating with me as we accomplished our goals. Some big wins that I've had since joining CBA are participating in my first craft fair, having some successful blog hops where people are actually downloading and purchasing my patterns. I've had some brand partnerships with yarn companies such as Lion Brand, We Crochet, Darn Good Yarn. Signed a couple contracts with Happily Hooked magazine. And I've gotten to the top 10 of Ravelry's Hot Right Now crochet patterns. And I'm just floored by that. So if you were thinking about joining CBA, I would say, yes, do it, sign up for it. You'll be glad that you did.